Greetings, lovely people. Welcome or welcome back to Sister J's Cuisine and Lifestyle. Journey with me to beautiful Jamaica.
We would like to be the first to welcome you to the Norman Manley International Airport. The time is now 1:10 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelts buckled until we are at the gate and the captain turns off the seatbelt sign indicating it is safe.
After clearing custom and immigration, our transport was right there waiting for us. And our first stop was on Airport Road where we get our jelly water. Yes, coconut jelly. That's a must have when you come to Jamaica. So this is my first food, as my first drink in Jamaica. My coconut water. And yes, this is the coconut jelly meat I'm gonna dive down into. Yes, can't come to Jamaica without getting this coconut jelly, water, and the meat. Yeah. So right here on Airport Road, the gentlemen sell all different fruits, molasses, honey, and of course our coconut jelly. And guys, after drinking my coconut, I have to dive down into the meat. After that, we head on to our beautiful parish of my birth, St. Thomas. So we are journeying to beautiful St. Thomas. Welcome to St. Thomas, Jamaica. So we stop in Mart Bay to get some Devon House grape nut ice cream. Then we journey home. Welcome home. This is where I call home in Jamaica. Guys, it's been a long time since I've been home. So here I am home in beautiful Jamaica. Yes, guys, it's been a long day. So I'm just gonna get myself together, get me a shower, and prepare for the next day. So this is day number 2 in Jamaica. I'm on my way to the airport to get my cousin and my aunt. Yes, guys. So we're heading to Norman Manley International Airport to get auntie and cousin. Okay? Stay tuned for more. So we're on Airport Road, not too far from Norman Manley International Airport. I just received a text message from my cousin that the plane just landed. So I'm going to give them some time to clear custom and immigration before I drive up to arrival area. And guys, the weather is beautiful right here in Jamaica. Oh yes, you gotta come to Jamaica, land of wood and water. Jamaica, Jamaica, sweet, sweet Jamaica, the land we love. So now I pick up my cousin, my auntie, and we stop to take photograph and enjoy some of the beautiful sea breeze. Yes, guys. I may climb up on the rock, you know. Yes, I can climb rocks. And this is my cousin. And of course, my auntie have the camera. And look at the beautiful, beautiful beach. Yes, our beautiful beach. And yes, we are in Kingston, Jamaica. Beautiful sea, beautiful beach. Yes, guys. So after we stop and take some beautiful sea breeze and, you know, enjoy the moment, we journey on to get some coconut water. As you know, that's the first thing you get when you reach Jamaica. Coconut water. Yes, I'm a yourself. Enjoy.
Only in Jamaica. Jamaica is so nice. Look at the coconut water. Look at our beautiful beach. What more can we ask for?
Enjoy our nice coconut water, our beautiful beaches, and you know, not to mention our food. Yes. And yes, I am loving it right here in beautiful Jamaica. So, guys, stay tuned for more in beautiful Jamaica. Live good, walk good, pray, pray. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. One love.